What are you doing right now, Steven?
Question.
We are playing video games right now. It is December 24th, Christmas Eve. I'm at my mom's. Gifts. Oh, that one's the stove on it. Elsa got a gift. Luna got a gift. It looks like a cat ripped into it. And so did Luna. It's Christmas Eve. We're at my parents' house. We're just playing games, hanging out now. We played this, what's this called again, Steve?
Yeah.
We played poker dice earlier. It was really fun. It's a really fun game and the quality's really nice. My mom's house is beautifully decorated. And now we're just chilling and playing. I'm gonna play Sims. What are you playing?
Games. World of Warcraft. Okay, this is my character.
Are you an Office fan?
Yes, all my characters are named after The Office. Do you want to see them all?
Yes, I would love to.
Here
Show
they
us. Oh, wow. Look at the gang. Oh.
No, they're not there yet. Nice. That's Jimmy Halpert, and that's M. Scott.
Also, I realized I can't use any of this footage because of the music playing in the background. Are you okay? Okay, well, anyways, like I said, we're just gonna be playing some games, and then I'm gonna shower and do some skincare maybe and chill. But until then, we're plopped down playing some games. Name is Noodle. I adopted it from the wharf. I've just been building my house. I know it's insane. It's like so giant. I did a walk-in closet, of course, a bedroom, a study, little art gallery like room here. Not the best at controlling these things, but here. I really like this wallpaper. I think it's really pretty. And certain lights, the red. And then the bathroom, which we're in right now. Hello. Oh. Oh. Oh my gosh. Oh, Noodle's ready to feel the love. Let's get to know. Play with laser pointer. Anyways, then I have my walk-in closet, of course, and our bedroom. The downstairs is pretty cool too. It's pretty plain right now. That's the kitchen. Got a little dining room over here, kind of. I guess it's more like, it's not even a dining room really. This is the dining area. And then there's like a bar, some seating area. I usually put a piano in this kind of area, but I have the fireplace and some cozy chairs. And that's pretty much it so far. Oh, and the backyard's pretty cool too, because we've got a pool, as you do. And is my sim employed? No, she is not employed. She just has money from Motherload. Cheat. Anyways, I'm gonna let these guys, oh, apparently my sim is hungry, so let's feed her. All right, I don't know what time it is, but I assume it's around 5 o'clock. We're not gonna do anything, I'm trying to level you guys, but maybe I have to loosen it. I'm not gonna do anything crazy with my makeup, just something to feel a little bit more fresh. Just had a shower. I was playing Sims for the last couple of hours and it was really fun. We're going to make homemade pizzas right now. So I'm just gonna put on a tiny bit of makeup to feel a bit more alive because I woke up on the wrong side of the bed this morning, and the wrong side of the bed, meaning I definitely didn't have enough water. So here we are now. I feel a lot better after a shower, just doing my makeup. And then like I said, we're gonna make homemade pizzas. And this year, we're at my mom's for Christmas Day, and we're going to be having Italian, which is so much fun. So we're gonna have pizza tonight, and then tomorrow we're gonna have lasagna, and I think we're also going out breakfast the following day. I'm really excited to wake up Christmas morning, open gifts, have people open gifts that I got them. I just love the holidays, and we weren't at my mom's last year for Christmas, so it's really fun to be here this year. Okay, I definitely put on way too much product, but that is okay. I said I was gonna keep things light, and here we are. It is what it is. It was so nice to like disconnect completely from my phone as well for a few hours that I was playing Sims because I was doing a little time lapse of everything. I didn't check my phone once, and then I was like, wow, that was really nice. I wasn't paying attention to anything on social media. I wasn't answering texts, emails, or calls or anything. Not that I get many texts and calls, but I have been the last few days, like telemarketers. But it's nice to disconnect and just spend time with family or just like relax like we were. My parents were watching a show. They're watching, what are they watching? Homeland right now. And me and Steve haven't started it, so we were just playing video games while my parents were watching that. Just super chill, super fun. And then tonight we're going to have dinner and probably play that game again. We were playing, I think it's called Poker Dice. We were playing that earlier, which was really, really fun. I won the first round and then Steve beat me the second round, but don't tell him that because if I were to play again, basically he won, but he went first. And I was like, let's see, if the roles were reversed and I was the first player, like the person who had the first roll or the first play, I would have won because the next time I rolled the dice, I won a point. So yeah, in my head, I'm also very competitive. I mean, I grew up as a dancer, obviously I'm really competitive, but in my head, we tied. In his head, we tied because I'm always right. Anyways, I think I'm gonna do something a little bit more warm for my makeup. I'm gonna open up the Galinda set tomorrow for Christmas Day because I'll have better lighting because it's almost dark now. I think it's like 5 o'clock. It must be. It's getting dark. So I will definitely do that tomorrow. Let's talk New Year's resolutions because today is Christmas Eve. Ooh. But let's talk New Year's resolutions. Next year, I definitely want to take my social media to the next level and take it more seriously now that I have more time. I also want to continue my school, not my schooling because I'm done my schooling, but I want to continue that path of being hopefully a registered teacher with the Royal Academy of Dance and just focusing back on what I love. You know, I love ballet. It's pretty obvious to you guys. And ever since I quit my professional job as a ballerina, I've been taking a lot of like odd jobs. Like I worked retail, I worked a bunch of different random places. I worked at like a couple of stores that were having nothing to do with dance. So now that I'm back to my roots, it feels really nice. And now that I've done my schooling, it feels really full circle to hopefully soon say that I applied to be a registered teacher. So hopefully I can say that I am soon. I am not yet. I have not heard, but fingers crossed it all works out. And it just feels full circle to be able to say that and it just feels full circle to be able to say that I am where I am now. Because now I'm teaching dance. And I fell in love with dance when I was a kid. I loved Barbie. I loved the Barbie movies. So I feel like that played a big role into ballet and my love for it. Also, my teachers were a huge inspiration to me. I just loved them. I thought they were the coolest. I thought they were so inspirational and they really cultivated and fostered a love for dance in their classes. So I hope that I can be that. That's my only hope as a dance teacher. And I don't really talk too much about dance teaching on this because this is like my YouTube channel where I do workouts and I hang out with you guys. I don't really talk too much about dance teaching, but that's that. And I'm just really excited for the new year. Other New Year's resolutions is I want to keep up with ballet more now that I have more free time and YouTube more and just really getting back to my roots of what I love. I feel like the last few years I've been focusing on a lot of different things and I'm really excited to just hone in on the things that I truly love now that I have the opportunity to with my new qualifications. What are your New Year's resolutions? My other New Year's resolution is I would love to do a show. I said that last year and then it was kind of unexpected that I ended up doing my schooling so I didn't have time or the opportunity. So next year I definitely want to make more of an effort of doing some kind of show, whether that's Nutcracker or not, because we're also getting married in November. So I feel like that's pretty tight, but maybe, who knows, I'll do another kind of show in some capacity, some way. I just really want to get back to my roots. And I feel like I'm going into 2026 with that. And I'm very much looking forward to the things in 2026. I'm going to the Ariana Grande concert, the Eternal Sunshine tour. I'm also going to be seeing Florence and the Machine, which is amazing. I love Florence and the Machine. There's another concert I'm going to and I forget now. Or maybe I wanted to go to Worry Club because I saw them this summer with my friend Amber and we saw them open for Julia Wolf. So this year was also really great for concerts. I totally forgot that I also saw Melanie Martinez. Like what? That's incredible. And we saw Ellis, I think her name is, and Worry Club and I almost said Florence and the Machine, but we saw Julia Wolf and that was really awesome. I'm also going to apply this REM Wicked Beauty PH lip gloss. Like it's clear, as you guys can see. You see how it went on clear? It's kind of hard to see in this lighting because the best lighting is like right there. I put on more than I anticipated, but I feel refreshed now. I feel better about myself. It's not that I need makeup to feel like pretty and put together, but I need makeup to feel alive in a way. Especially after a few days, like this whole weekend. I was trying to find my makeup caddy, I guess it's called, like my bag, and I couldn't find it because I was like, dang, the last time I actually put on makeup was probably Thursday. I don't think I put on makeup at all this weekend. Maybe like eyeliner and mascara, but nothing that required all this. I probably just scrummaged around for eyeliner, mascara, like on my vanity But yeah, my hair's a bit frizzy too. I might curl it tomorrow. Who knows? It's just fun to like have the free time to do whatever you want. And I'm thinking back to the time before I met Steven and before I did YouTube and before I had a job that took up more time, and when I would visit my family and I didn't have a job at all because I would be on break usually when I visited my family. I was like, what did I used to do? I used to do this. I'd get ready, I'd like my hair, I'd just do some self-care, I'd do like a makeup or like a mask or something. I'd have a bubble bath, I'd go for a walk, I'd do something that made me feel good, even if it wasn't something I had to do like to get ready to go somewhere. Like even if I had nowhere to be, I'd like sit in front of my makeup counter and just like play around with makeup. So I was like, I'm gonna do that over the holidays and take you guys with me because I was terrible at doing Vlogmas. Absolutely horrible. So on that note, we are done here. Let's go see what's up. Good morning, guys, and Merry Christmas! Today it is Christmas Day, and we woke up, opened presents, had a nice big huge brunch, and we're about to have dinner, but thought I would get ready because not only do I have this super cute set from Roots that my mom got me for Christmas that's all Wicked themed. It has like the, I don't know what this is called, embossed or embroidered Wicked everything on it. I love it, but I figured I would get ready and put on some Wicked makeup and also unbox my advent calendar that I got for Christmas, and I haven't been opening it that well, so I need to catch up on some of the things. Like I think the last day that I opened was, oh, I'm not even at 19, today's the 25th. This is not good, guys. I feel like I opened number 15. I did, so we're on number 16 till the 25th. So we have a lot to unbox. I'll let Steve open some too. Okay, so we've got some little notepads that are super cute. Number 16. What's number 17? Where is it even? Number 17. We've got a little guy. What is it? Cute. Another little button. I'm gonna open number 25 with Steve. Another coaster to match the one that's in his office. I have a Glinda one and now I have an Elphaba one. Number 19, guys. This is embarrassing how bad I got with advent calendar. Now I'm just opening everything all at once. Number 17 or 19, I guess. Oh, some more cards. Cute. See, this is why I should have opened these beforehand, because I could have used these as cards to people. 19. Hello? We might have to repeat this later. We've got number 20. I'm unboxing my advent calendar. Hang on. I couldn't be lovelier. Very cute. I like that magnet. Okay, we're gonna put a pause on the advent calendar and we'll do this later, maybe tomorrow morning. I was gonna unbox makeup sets as well because I brought them with me. So I have the Glinda makeup set I was gonna put on my face, and the Aussian Forest makeup palette, which I've already opened with you guys, so nothing really new there. And I've also got, guys, so much Wicked stuff. I've also got these sprays, so that's one thing I will do because all I've been doing today is honestly relaxing, which has been nice because that's what the holidays are for. And I'm someone, and I know a lot of people, probably you guys watching this, are like this, and that you tell yourself, oh, I wasn't productive today, or I need to do this, da da da. But honestly, over the holidays, that is the time to relax with family, recharge, and not feel guilty about not doing enough. One thing I will do right now is just put on some of the, even though I'm gonna eat, the REM Beauty oil, which I did last night. And maybe, no, I'm just gonna do a fresh face because we're gonna watch Stranger Things at 8. I'm in the perfect outfit for it, very cozy. We're gonna have lasagna for Christmas dinner. We had pizza last night. That's that. I also ended up finishing my first half of my scarf. So I was crocheting a lot this afternoon as well. But let's go have some dinner.